on my morning drive, watching the sunrise. Pictures of you still asleep run through my mind. A hard day's work gone by, traffic ain't a friend of mine. I'm speeding home just so I can make up the bed that we slept in last night, fold all the clothes that we left out to dry, open that bottle of wine I know you like. So when you come home, your lips are mine, lay down by my side. Oh, my love tonight. When my dream comes true, we have a child or two, paint the walls of the room sweet pink and blue. And if you need some time to go and clear your mind, I'll hurry home just so I can sing lullabies to the loves of my life, tuck them in bed and kiss them goodbye, put on our favorite song and turn down the lights. So when you come home, your lips are mine, lay down by my side. Oh, my love tonight. So when you come home, your lips are mine, forget about the world, it's just you and I thought that I knew about love quarter of a century, till I fell in love with you. Oh, when you come home, your lips are mine, dance with me just like we did on our wedding night, on our wedding night. Oh, when you come home, your lips are mine, never leave my side, never leave for the rest of my life. When you come home, your lips are mine.